CO2 heat pump air heater Ecosirocco provides high-temperature hot air using water thermal energy. Heat pump heats the air highly efficiently up to 120 degrees C. When more than 120 degrees C is required, it heats up with another heating device, such as boiler, electrical heater, etc. Chilled water, which can be provided with hot air at the same time, can be used for air conditioning and process cooling. Therefore, high efficiency and safety are always maintained. We satisfy a wide range of customers who have drying or heating processes with no combustion technology. The Ecosirocco CO2 heat pump air heater is provided by MAYEKAWA, leading innovators in thermal energy technology.